Hello there, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Aurora Santa Ana, for those who don't know me, and I teach kindergarten. Okay, so today we're gonna review the number words. We're gonna review the number words, and also we will go back really quickly with our topic on number bonds. We will review the number words. We'll review addition terms. What words do we use when we talk about addition? And I said the number words, and then we will also try to write an addition problem story. Okay, I'll teach you how to put some words together to make a problem story. All right, so here's what we talked about, the number bonds. Remember the number bonds? We have two parts. We talk about the two parts that make a whole. Now I have here my paper plate, and I have, how many stars do I have here? Let's count the purple stars first. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Okay, let me use my purple marker to write the number 5 because that's the first part. Okay, how about the yellow one? How many yellow stars do we have? Help me count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me find my yellow marker. Okay, so I have 5 also. There you go. So I have 5 purple stars and 5 yellow stars. So if we put together the 5 and the 5, how many do we have? And we need the plus sign, right? And then the equal sign is what's the total? Let's all count the purple and the yellow stars together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And thus we come up with the number 10. A 10 is a 1 and a 0. Okay, so there we go. How about, let's try this one. Okay, you do it on your own. Count the green and count the green and count the blue. All right, and you tell me the two numbers that make the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What two parts make number 9? How many are green and how many are blue? Did you get 6 green and 3 blue? Yes, okay, so that's the number bond for 9. 6 and 3 make 9. Let's try the next one. If you have a bigger brain and you're ready for more than 10, let's do this. How about the purple stars? How many purple stars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 purple stars. How about the blue? Let's count them all together. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 purple stars and 7 blue. What number do we have? What's the whole number there? Let's all count together. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The two numbers that make 15 are 8 and 7 because the number bonds are two parts that make a whole. Okay? And how about this one? This is our last one for the number bonds. We have how many purple and how many green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple. Let's count the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 green. So what two numbers make this whole number? Let's count the whole number. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's the whole number? The whole number is 15. And what two parts make 15? The 5 and the 10. Let me put 5 here. 5 for the purple, 5 purple, and 10 green. 10 green, and I should write the whole number with my black marker. Here we go. That's the number 15. A 1 and a 5. This is the whole number. The two numbers that make 15 are 5 and 10. Okay? Number bonds that make 15. I know my number bonds. Two parts make a whole. We come and sing along. Number bonds, number bonds, number bonds. I really can't get that song right, okay? But that should be the last time I'm going to sing the number bonds because we need to move on to our next lesson, okay? So before we go back and dig deeper into our topic on addition, let's remember the words that we normally use. Say addition. This is the word. This is what we're going to do. Say addition. And what do you call this again? The sum. What's the sum again? That's the answer in addition. And what does this word say? Plus. That's the plus, okay? That's what we use for addition. And this word says what? Equal. Say equal. We need to put the equal sign before we write the sum. And this is how we write the plus, okay? That's the addition sign, okay? And this is the equal sign. We can also use these two fingers when you do this. Equal. This is the plus, okay? So could be 5 plus 2 equals, and what's the sum? Figure it out. Use your brain. Okay, and when we do addition, we always get more, okay? Because that's addition is all about. Getting more or collecting or taking and adding. We'll just keep adding and increasing. When you add with a pirate, you will see you're getting more for you and me with a yo-ho-ho and a rum-pum-pum. When you add, you're getting a sum. When you add, you're getting a sum. Okay, so these are the words that we need to learn. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're done with number bonds. Say bye-bye, number bonds. Okay, but we will not forget the number bonds. We'll just put them behind our head because number bonds are also related to addition. Okay, that's our introductory lesson to addition. Now, before we start, I have the number words here. We've been talking about, you know, the numbers, the numerals, and I know you're pretty smart with all the numbers 1 to 100 because we've been talking about it. Now we will do the number words. Okay, this is how we spell the numbers. Can you read this number word for me? Okay, say 18. How about this? 19. How about this? 7. How about this? 4. How about this? 1. How about this? 6. Let me get closer. How about this? 5. How about this? 9. 8. 2. 3. 11. 14. 14. You see the teen word? Okay? The teen. Okay? How about this? 15. 16. 12. 13. 17. Remember the teen numbers, okay? Teenagers. I'm not a teenager. Is your mom a teenager? No. Okay, do you have a brother that's a teenager? Okay, find out. You ask them how old they are, okay? And then this one is 20. We don't say 20, okay? Because 20 is no longer a teen number. And this is the number 10. Now, at home, you can get like scratch papers and you can write the number words, okay? Let's write this again. You help me arrange these number words in order, okay? From the least to the greatest. So this is 10, 20, 17, 13, 12, 16, 15, 14. This one says 11. This one says 3, 2, 8, 9, 5, 6, 1, 4, 7, 19, and 18. Now, which one comes first? When we start counting, like when we recite the letters of the alphabet, we always start with the A. A, B, C, D, E, all the way to Z. How about when we count? We count from 0, but I don't have the word 0. What comes after 0? 1. Which one is 1? Is this a number 1? You tell me when to stop. Which one's this one? O-N-E. O-N-E to make a number 1. There you go. This is a number 1. Okay? So let me put it up here. Can I empty this? Because I need to use the space, because remember, we always start from left to right and top to bottom. Anyway, these numbers are not yet in order. So we need to fix them anyway. Okay? All right. So this is a number 1. O-N-E. What comes after 1? T-O-W. T-O-W. T-O-W to make a number 2. There you go. So what comes after 2? 3. This is how we spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E to make a number 3. There you go. 3. What comes after 4? 4 is, oh, I'm sorry. What comes after 3? Did you say 4? Okay, how do we spell 4? 4, F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R, to make a number 4. There you go. Okay, is this a number 5? Yes, sing it with me. F-I-V-E, F-I-V-E, to make a number 5. Okay, what comes after 5? 6. How do we spell 6? S-I-X, S-I-X, to make a number 6. Okay, now, 7. Which one do you think is 7? 7. This doesn't say 7. It starts with an E. 7. There you go. Spell 7 for me. S-E-V-E-N, S-E-V-E-N, to make a number 7. Okay, what comes after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. I'm smiling. What letter is a smiling letter? 8. This one says L. There's an L. We don't need that. Okay. How about this one? Does this say 8, you think? It's a funny word. You don't sound it out, right? You don't sound it out, but you just read it fast, just like a sight word. E-I-G-H-T, E-I-G-H-T, to make a number 8. Okay, there you go, 8. How about 9? What letter does 9 begin with? That's the funny nose. 9, there we go. N-I-N-E, N-I-N-E, to make a number 9. Okay, let me put it up here, 9. Okay, what comes after 9? 10. So what are we looking for? What letter? Well, this one also begins with N. Okay, but that's too long, right? E, 10. T-E-N, T-E-N, to make a number 10. Okay, there we go. So we have the numbers 1 up to 10. But let's just arrange this in order. 11, I have the 12, I have the 13. You can do this at home, okay? 13, 14, where's my 15? 15. Am I doing it right, boys and girls? Okay, 16, you tell me if I'm doing it right. 16, after 16 is 17, then we have 18, then we have 19, and we have the 20. Okay, all right, there we go. And can you find out the teen numbers? The teen numbers, okay? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is not. Okay, so if you're 20 years old, you are not a teenager anymore. Okay, but when you're 13, that's the start of your teenage years. Okay, you are a teenager. Okay, so these are the number words, and you can also do that at home. All right, now let's go to our addition. How do we make addition story? But before that, let's remember the sight words, or we learned about these before, but now we can use them to write a problem story, because these words, they should be in our head, but let's just go over it. It's always good to review, okay? This word says have. Say have. Have, I, how. How, this is our asking word. Remember, how, if you're asking. You, Y-O-U, Y-O-U, that says you. D-O is do, A-R-E is are. This is A-L-L, we learned about this word, it says all. This one says many, M-A-N-Y, many. This word says we, okay, we. It's you and me, it's we. And this one is the new word, it's bears, because we'll be using some bears today. So I want you to know how to write the word bears. If you don't know, you just sound it out. Bears. Okay? You just have to sound it out. It's okay. Kids spelling, it's still fine. It's fine with me. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. I got my magnetic board. Okay, here we go. This one says bears. This one says we. This one says many. This one says all. This one says are. Oh, you can see it. I'm just put it here. Are. Do. Oh, I don't have my magnet. You. How. I. And have. Okay, so these are the sight words. Na 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 na. Bears we many, all are you? How? Bears we many, all are you? How? I have, I how, you are all. That's hard. I have heard how you are all men. I mess it up. That's okay. I'm sorry. Okay, but these are the words that we will need to make up a story, okay? Here we go. Let's try this. Aha. I have my tray right here. Okay, this is the playground. And I have one blue bear. One blue bear went to the playground to play. And here comes cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Okay, here comes two friends, two red bears went to the playground and played with the blue bears. Oh, played with the blue bear. Well, there's only one bear. I'm sorry about that. How many bears are in the playground? Did you say 3? Because we need to put the one blue bear and the two red bears together. So how many do we have in all in the playground? 3. So what's the addition sentence for that? Say 1 plus 2 equals, what's the total or what's the sum? 3. Okay, I have another one here. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Here comes the big green bear. And here comes the medium green bear. Here comes the small green bear. You see how they differ in size? The big, the medium, and the small. How many green bears do I have? 3. So the first number is 3. Here comes. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Can I go play with you? Said the 2 yellow bears. Okay, so we have the 2 yellow bears. Okay, do you think the green bears let them play with them? Are they nice? Of course they are, because nobody's being mean, right? We always want to be nice. So we have 3 green bears and 2 yellow bears. What's the addition sentence for that? 3 plus 2 equals, what's the sum? Is it 6 or 5? It is 5. Let's count. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, and we put them together. Keep going. 4 and 5. So if you put them together, we have 5 bears in all. You got that? Okay. Now, but how do you write that story? I know we can say it, but can we write that down? Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's start with the 1 blue bear and the 2 red bears. How can we make a story for that? Because we need a story, right? We can't just make it up. It's better if we want a story. Remember, I have 5 children. I have 3 girls and I have 2 boys. How many children do I have? I have 5. So that's the total. We will do something like that, but we need to put it in words, okay? We need to see the words because we read with the words. Okay, so maybe we can say, I have, how many blue bears? How many blue bears went in? Only 1. I have 1 bear. Let's just do the colors later, okay? We will learn the color words later. Let's make it simple for today. I have 1 bear. So you see how I put a period at the end? Because a sentence ends with a punctuation. Okay, and you, okay, you have, okay, what do I need to write? Have. How do we spell have? Right there. You just need to copy it. You just need to write it. H-A-V-E. You have, how many red bears do you have? 2. And how do we write 2? Curl down and slide to the right. Okay? 2 bears. We need an S because it's more than 1. And we put a what? Do we need a do we need a question mark, a period, or an exclamation mark? Period? Yes, we only need a period. Okay, just a period at the end of this sentence. Okay? Now, how do we end our story? We need a question. I have 1 bear. You have 2 bears. How many? Which one says how? Which one? The one that starts with H, okay? So there you go. How many? Which one do I need? The one that starts with M. How many do, I dropped my word do we have in all. Okay, that's the word all. Okay, and what punctuation mark do I need? A question mark. Yes, I need a question mark. Okay, we can also end it with how many are there in all. Okay, or you can just simply say how many in all. How about you just simplify this? Okay, why am I making it so long for you guys? Okay, but for those who are ready to make longer sentences, it's fine, but let's just make it simple for some people. Okay, how many in, okay, this is the last word, all, and just put a question mark there. You got that? How many sentences do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3 sentences to make a problem story, because a story has we need more than one sentence to make up a story. Okay, so at least we have 3. Okay, let's read it again. Let's read the first sentence. Go. I have 1 bear. You have 2 bears. How many in all? So how many in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. But what number should I put first? I need to put the 1 because the blue bear went first, right? 1 bear. Okay. And how about the red bears? How many red bears do I have? I have 2 because the problem says it. Okay, so 2. And what symbol do we need to use? We need to use the plus sign, because when we plus, we put them together. Okay, when you add, we use the plus sign. And equal sign is when you say, or what you write before you write the sum. Okay, so 1 plus 2 equals how many in all? 3. Can we count again? How many bears do I have in the playground? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the sum, and 3 is the whole number. The 2 parts that make the 3 are the numbers 1 and 2. Okay? So this is called the addition. When you add with a pirate, you will see you're getting more for you and me. With a ho 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 and a rum pum pum. When you add, you're getting a sum. When you add, you're getting a sum. So that's the answer in addition, the word sum. Okay, now for your homework, I want you to write a sentence. Can you write a problem story for me, but use the problem, this addition sentence? 1 plus 5 equals blank. Can you write my story? I'll give you an example. I have 1 flower and my children gave me 5 more flowers. How many flowers do I have in all? Okay, and figure it out. Or maybe you can say, we can use this 4 plus 2. I have 4 candies, because I love candies. Okay, and my friend, Mrs. Thomas Moore, gave me 2 more candies. So if I have 4 candies and Mrs. Thomas Moore gave me 2 candies, how many candies do I have? What's the sum? Okay, you put the answer. So how about you guys? Can you write your own problem story using 4 plus 2 and 1 plus 5? All right, you can ask your mom to take a picture of your answer. I want to see your problem stories. Tell your mom to send me a picture of your problem stories. I need your nice handwriting. Okay, write nicely and neatly. You know how you follow the 3 lines. Okay, the uppercase letters need 3 lines and the lowercase letters, they need 2 lines. Okay, all right, so today we reviewed the number words. These are the number words. Okay, we reviewed addition terms. These are the addition terms, the words that we need to know. Okay, when I say addition, what's addition? I don't know what addition means. What does more mean? Okay, what if you see this symbol, you should know this. This is the plus sign. When you see this word, it says equal. You don't say, what's equal? I don't know. No, I told you. Okay, equal sign. And then this is the plus sign. You know the word plus. Okay, Sum, when your mom asks you, what's the sum of 4 plus 2? What's the sum of 1 plus 5? You should know because the sum is the answer in addition. And when we say addition, you know you're getting more. You're putting together, you're collecting, okay? Now, let me end by singing our addition song again. This is my favorite. When you add with a pirate, you will see you're getting more for you and me. With a yo-ho-ho and a rum-pum-pum, when you add, you're getting a sum. When you add, you're getting a sum. You messed me up, guys. Okay, so that's for addition, okay? Can't wait to see your addition stories. Okay, bye. Take care.